everyone. Today we're going to be making our picture based on The Blue Dog by George Rodrigues' Blue Dog series. First, we're going to draw it out. Then we're going to dress it up. And we can use any type of attire that we want. Doesn't necessarily have to be a little bumblebee like mine. You can be creative and add your own attire. And then finally, we're going to color it in. I have used a marker outline for mine and a watercolor fill-in. You will be able to use any colored tools that you have accessible to you. So to get started, let's first go ahead and take a look at the drawing of our dog and see where we're going to get started. First, here with the nose. So this nose area is our target. We're going to start with an oval shape for the nose, right towards the center of our paper. So let's go ahead and point to the middle more or less and draw a nice big oval for the nose. Okay, right below, we're going to draw a frown. And we're going to connect that frown up to the top center of the oval by curving our line and going to the top. Don't connect the two lines though, because here we're going to bring these up straight, and then we're going to connect them with a zigzag line. Right in the frown area here, we're going to bring out another curved line for the mouth. And we can also add the eyes. The eyes were nice and round and sharp. So we're gonna emphasize on that sharpness with some little triangles around the eyes to show that nice sharp look. We're also going to draw a nice little circle right inside for the pupil. And I like to go ahead and fill in these areas. So I'm going to fill in the eyes, and I'm also going to fill in the nose area. Okay, so right above this zigzag line, we're going to draw a curved line for the top of the head. This line is going to come all the way to the top corner of the paper. Make sure it comes all the way to the top corner on one side and all the way to the top corner on the opposite side. We're going to go ahead and connect these lines down to the snout area by bringing out a line that curves and zigzagging all the way through. We'll do that to the other side as well. To emphasize on that sharp stare and morbid look to her face, we're going to go ahead and add an eyebrow in the shape of a little banana and underneath her eye. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And two little triangles for the ears. Now let's go ahead and focus on the body. For the body, we're going to bring down 2 curved lines that come down to the bottom of your paper. We're going to leave a little bit of space here for the paws. So for the front paw, we're just going to go ahead and make a curved line for both paws. And we're going to connect those two with an upside down U shape. We can add some little toes by drawing some lines. And if you notice, only part of her back leg is showing here. Oh, part of her back leg and just part of her foot on the opposite side. So let's go ahead and draw part of her leg. And just a tiny bit of her foot on the opposite side. Okay. All right, boys and girls, so now we're gonna go ahead and have fun drawing out our Tiffany attire. We can add props, we can add a t-shirt, we can add a bow on top of its head, maybe make it look like a unicorn with a unicorn horn. So there's lots of ideas that we can create for our Tiffany here. Here are some good examples. I have drawn out a Tiffany on the beach, a flower girl Tiffany, a juggling Tiffany, a basketball Tiffany, a superhero Tiffany, a nurse Tiffany, and here I have some more examples which I have already added color to. I have a leprechaun Tiffany, an artiste Tiffany, there's a unicorn Tiffany, a butterfly Tiffany, a football Tiffany, a Dracula Tiffany. There's another flower girl Tiffany. And on these other ones, I have actually used watercolor paint and markers. Here's a bedtime Tiffany, a traveling Tiffany, and a Netflix Tiffany. So there's quite a bit of ideas here for us to feed off of and get inspired. So let's go ahead and start drawing an attire for our Tiffany. Okay, boys and girls, so now that we have designed our Tiffany, let's go ahead and add color to it. You guys can use any coloring tools that you have at home. I'm going to be using an outline with my markers first, and then I'm going to be adding watercolor paint to the rest of it.